Good afternoon, Bob here. I wanted to talk to you about a portfolio that I've been starting to track and actually starting to add some positions to, and I think one that's going to be probably the easiest trade we're going to have in the next 12 months, and that's the ag sector. And the reason why I started following it is that both the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans have gone cold, and we went from a strong El Nino to looks like likely a strong La Nina. And each and every time ag prices have gone up significantly. And so I want to just go through my portfolio that I have today. Everything was up today, which is amazing because today was absolutely crazy. And today is March 10th on Thursday, where the market had the biggest up and biggest down back to flat day I've seen in a long time. But let's get started. One thing I point out to was one of the first to move here was cocoa, and that thing has just been on a tear, and I expect cocoa to be suffering because West Africa is going to suffer some dryness, and I think it's going to curtail the crop. Moving on to the next one, and this is really from we're going from high to low in terms of activity. Okay, let me go into here. Is sugar. Sugar popped. Okay, I have a long buy on sugar right now, and I've been tracking this thing from a weekly because it's not something I'm going to trade in and out of very much. Okay, and you can just see it's coming up here, gets through this congestion area, it's going to move up over 40. I expect sugar to challenge these highs in the next 12 months. Moving on to DBA. I bought DBA at 2003. It's breaking out now, and I expect DBA is going to have a run again. I'm looking at all the 2014 highs to be taken out. Corn is yet to move, but it's one of the last to move, and so I expect again the 2014 high to be taken out. I have not had a position in corn yet. I have a buy signal on sugar. I have one on cocoa so far. I have one on DBA so far. And today we have a higher high on an hourly for wheat, and it's coming up. Got a buy signal on wheat right now, and again I expect wheat will get into the WEAT. It'll get into the $15 range as well. Now, what's unusual here is also cattle's moving up, and there's a lot of pasture land this year, so it's interesting to watch it. I have no position in it, and I'm just mostly following it, but I suspect that this should probably roll over, and the following year we'll have another move higher in cow. But again, I'm keeping an eye on it for right now. Coffee's starting to move, and again, it's gonna be sympathetic to cocoa. Soybeans starting to get some life again. Corn and soybeans are the last to go, but we'll see them move before May. Again, I'm looking for soybeans here to get up over the 2014 highs. This is cotton. Cotton I'm watching. I am told that through the data that cotton will also move up significantly in a La Nina year, and again I'm looking at 2014 as my benchmark. And we're back to cocoa again. So if you just want to play one thing, I would play DBA. I'm posting it for those who subscribe to me. I'm giving a buy and sell on DBA. Right now my stop is at where I bought it at 2003. I don't want to be in and out of this too much, but I'm keeping an eye on it. If it gets to a point and it rolls back down, I'm not going to hold it just to hold it. I will sell out of it and buy back in. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.